on the side of her spine. So depends on where they have the weakness. If they have a weakness in a certain spot, you can just go to that spot and go from there up, or you could even go all the way from the tailbone up. So if I was to measure it from the tailbone up, it would be about that long. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to also cut the tape a little bit more narrow because she's small and she doesn't need this big wide piece of tape. And remember, you're going to cut off the ends. So make sure you round the ends. Then I'm going to cut off the other end. Boop. Like that. And Camden's going to look at the wall. And luckily for me, I have Camden who's able to sit up really straight. But as you may imagine, if your patient wasn't able to sit up straight, you would probably need a parent or a second helper to hold them or keep them sitting up straight. Then all you got to do is do a little anchor at the bottom. Not there. And I'm going to start right here above her sacrum. Rub the tape. Now you would put it directly on the skin. Okay, face the wall, Camden, so we can look straight at the wall. Head straight, look right here. And all I'm going to do is paper off tension right up the side of the spine. Boop. So as high as you need to go, you could even go all the way up to the neck. Now, you would do both sides. Yeah. We're not going to take it off yet. We're going to do one more piece. So I'm going to show you how to do a piece that's a Y strip. Now, a Y strip's going to be able to grab her shoulder blade a little bit and also do a wider area. So you're going to, again, measure the tape of your hair because I don't want your hair to get in it. And the same thing, you would have the child sit as tall as possible. You're going to rip the tape right above the tails. You want to make sure both tails are free so that when I put the anchor down, again, it's going to go below the area that's weak. So we're going to go down here as demonstration. Going to put one piece of tape right along the spine, paper off tension, just like we did the first piece. But the second piece, you're going to bring up to the side. So see how I'm able to catch her shoulder blade? And you could even bring it up higher, up here, towards the shoulder. And then you would rub it in if you were going to keep it on. So as you can see, you could do 2 I strips or 2 Y strips. And that's going to help her sit up straight and use her shoulder blade.